Hello friends, I am Kamlesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Vianney Group of College. Today I am deliver a lecture on System Design and Analysis behalf of GRU KPO. System Design and Analysis. In System Design and Analysis, we have to discuss first of all system. What is system and how it will be work. A system design focus on the how to complies the objective of the system. Basically, then the system is how system can be comply and system will be work. There are basic objectives of system design and system. The basically systems are system, process and technology. The system should be work in which way? System is the main part of the technology. Then process, how the system can process. System will be processed in different various parts, and technology, which technology we are using in the system. These three objectives are used in system. When we have to study about system. These three and the proper way of the definition is a system is an orderly grouping of interdependent components linked together according to a plan to achieve a specific goal. That is the definition of a system. Basically, we can say system is a part of goal which we have to complete or in different tasks that achieve our specific goal. A system must have three basic constraints. There are three basic constraints: structure and behavior. When we have to design or develop any system, the main thing is that behavior and structure. Which kind of structure we have to use, and behavior in the sense technology. In technology we have to communicate with the system. Interconnectivity and interdependency. Interconnectivity and interdependency is the also a system constraints, basic constraints, that interconnectivity and interdependency. Dependency also is very important part of the system. Then higher priority. Higher priority is the last part of the concentrations. Higher in the sense we have to most important part. Higher we have to important part in the higher it means higher we have to give priority, first priority of the system. Properties of a system, basic properties are some 5 properties are there, those which we have to see. First one is organization, second is interconnection, third one is interdependent, next one is integration, and fifth one is central objectives. These 5 properties of a system are used to study about system. Now we will discuss about elements of a system. In before we have discussed system, then now we will discuss elements of system. There are a diagram, control, input, processor, output, then output, feedback. First of all we have to see control, then input, data will be input, then data will be processed, then output, it goes to feedback, goes to again input. The main output goes to boundary and interfaces, and here is a environment. When a data we have to input, data input given, then input will be processed, few time period it will be taken, then it will goes to output section goes to feedback. When feedback is better, then it goes to again input, and it goes to boundary and interfaces. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.